Today, an average person is exposed to over 5,000 adverts daily. Brands are actually struggling amongst the commercial clutter. Hi, my name is Shubin. I represent All in All. We are the authorized distributor of Hypervsn here in Kuwait. Hypervsn is an award-winning technology that delivers highly disruptive 3D holographic displays in an immersive experience. Internationally, many brands have jumped in on Hypervsn, and here are a couple of reasons why. Tomorrow's customers are more responsive with immersive experiences. Hypervsn actually offers over 40% more engagement as opposed to usual 2D visuals. The capability with the tech is endless, with gesture control, adaptability with sound, and more. And brands can emotionally connect with their customers with Hypervsn. Hypervsn comes in two variants. One is a 56 centimeter in terms of display size, and another one is a 75 centimeter. In fact, you can take the 56 centimeter and couple as many together to form a wall. With Hypervsn, we can offer human holograms advertised through Hypervsn, and the ideas are endless. You've got the ideas, we've got the team to implement it. With Hypervsn, All in All offers your brands an opportunity to rent our devices or even advertise at our prime locations across Kuwait, and even on an opportunity for sale. Thank you so much from Avenues. Bye.